All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking about my vacation. In case you can't tell from the title and the intro, I'm going on vacation. I'm going to be gone for 2 weeks. I'm going to leave Bam Bam in charge of the shop, and hopefully it doesn't burn down. But I will be heading over to the United Kingdom, Scotland, and England for 2 weeks. When this video goes live, I will have already been gone for 6 days. I'm filming this on Thursday, and I leave on Saturday. I get to the UK on Sunday. Overnight flight. Woohoo. We'll meet up with some YouTubers while I'm over there. And if you guys want to see video from that trip, I am taking my camera, but let me know in the comments if you want to see some highlights from that. It will be probably an extra video, but there will be 1 week where I will not have content. Sorry, I just couldn't get that far ahead in the time allotted. So, sorry about that, but I'm going to enjoy my vacation. So let me know in the comments if you want to see those videos, highlights, pictures, that kind of stuff. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master. And yes, I'm sick. About to go on vacation.